Take a ride in the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.